Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm primarily focuses on family law. We're going to be answering some questions today from our viewing audience. Please subscribe to our channel. The question that we're going to answer today: do I automatically get alimony if we were married for a long time? Well, the answer to the question is no. You do not automatically get alimony by virtue of having endured a marriage for many years. Alimony is based on three primary factors, and then there are explanations and sub-factors. Number one is the duration of the marriage. The longer the duration, the more likely the court will consider an alimony. So a 30-year marriage is more likely to be in the alimony discussion than a one-year marriage. Number two, the disparity of income between the parties. Do you make much more money than your soon-to-be ex, or vice versa? Again, if there's a person who's a high-wage earner and a person who's perhaps a homemaker and a low-wage earner, the court may very well consider this an alimony situation. And number three, is there disposable income available to pay it? So, let's say, for example, you had a long-term marriage, big disparity of income, but the parties, they just live so high in the hog, they're basically check to check. They've never been able to save anything. They don't have any, they've got a history of not having any extra money. Once they pay the bills, that the parties, from the marital home, the parties are there, there's nothing left. In that scenario, even though there may be a disparity of income, even though it may be a long-term marriage, the court may very well say, it's not an alimony situation, you just keep paying your bills, and that'll be it. And it's possible that the court can say that. On the flip side, if there is money to be saved, it's a long-term marriage, it turns out one guy's making $4,000 a month, the other one's a homemaker. In that scenario, the court may very well impose an alimony which equalizes what the parties have to live on. The court may very well reason that after 25 years of marriage, if there's $4,000 a month to live on, you should get two, and you should get two. Which means somebody's paying somebody $2,000 a month alimony, so now you have the same thing to live on. So the court will try and be fair and equitable about it. But it's not just, well, X amount of years, therefore alimony. It's not a formula like that. It's a much more sophisticated analysis that the court goes through to make that determination. If you have any questions about that, of course, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.